So I'm going to start with a slide on anti-transitive or anti-transitive, and it says that your relationship is anti-transitive if transitivity does not hold anywhere. Okay, for every possible place where transitivity could hold, you have that it does not. Okay. So this is extremely important. The words I used here are extremely important because one possible way to think of something that not being transitive is that you have a relation where at some point, at some triple, there's an example of x, y, z where transitivity does not hold. That's a relation that's not transitive. Okay? But not transitive is not same as anti-transitive. Okay? Anti-transitivity requires that it's never transitive. Okay? For all possible x, y, and z, it's not transitive. Okay? Are we good? Cool. So here's an example of something that's not transitive. Let me just make sure that it is what it says it to be. So it says that for x, y, y, z, you should not have xz. So I guess it holds, right? There is no xz, regardless of how I pick my x and y and z. Sir, इसको बाद में कर लें? Okay. Thank you. Okay, cool. So that's an example of something that's absolutely anti-transitive. It's never transitive. Yes. Sure. Okay. Cool. So the definition के अंदर जो difference है ना वो यहाँ पे आएगा इस जगह के ऊपर. Okay. So when I say that something is not transitive, what I'm saying is that for some example, transitivity fails. Okay. So if I say that for some x, y, and z, you have this problem. So I would say that this is a relation that's not transitive. Okay? But when I say that for every x and y, z, this fails, transitivity fails, I would say that this is an anti-transitive. Okay? Good? Awesome.